video is we're trying to use Taijutsu or body movement in the clinch. And like I previously said, which I'm going to kind of say here again, is lots of different arts call the clinch something different. Whether if it's classical Japanese martial arts, we call it kumyuchi, right? But you know, there's lots of people that say it's the Judo hold or the Jujutsu hold, or I think common MMA says the clinch, right? So it's kind of what we're working out of here. We're working out of the clinch. The move that we want to get to today, how do we use our Taijutsu in the clinch? And we're going to get to a technique called Oni Kudaki. Now, before we do the technique, let's talk about Oni Kudaki. To do Oni Kudaki, this hand's going to be on the inside, and what we're going to do is I'm going to pull like this to get in this position. I want to turn my body to where I've got his body in my strength box, right? And then from there, I'm just going to shift, take him down, and then using this force, taking him down to the ground, right? Really doing a lot of damage to the shoulder, the elbow, taking him down. Being real generic here, so go ahead and let go there for me, because look, that way everyone gets a good view of what's going on. This hand's going to be on the inside, and this hand comes underneath, and I'm going to push here and pull. I want my hands to come together. Notice I'm here. I don't have my body over like this, because then he could punch the hell out of me here, right? So you want to turn your body to the side, and then you're taking them down, right? So again, let's kind of keep that hand, let's let the camera gets the view. So here, this side gets on the inside, I swing in, and I'm going to pull down, and then from this position, I would lift the elbow up, and then just drive to the ground, right? Now, all that's well and good, but how do you do that in a fight? Because no one's just going to let you get a lock. We're going to have to make it more realistic. We've got to make it more applicable. So we're going to start from the clinch. And while we're in the clinch and we're pushing and pulling, this hand right here, I'm going to make sure that I get it onto the inside. So now I've got both of my hands are going to be inside of his grab from this particular technique. Now as we're here, this hand's going to come up as a check, like Makura Uke, and I'm going to throw an elbow strike as hard as I can. Now to apply it from a self-defense perspective, this would go right to the face. I would drive down on that elbow there, because then if I drive down, my hand comes down, I could swing the hand back up to come into here. But so we don't hurt the training partner, when I'm here like this, I'm just going to throw my elbow into the chest. So as I can strike into the chest, I come through, and then I can pull into this lock. Going real slow with the technique, right? We're in the clinch, we're moving each other around, and I'm going to throw an elbow shot, boom, pushing in here, pulling him up, and I turn. I'll take him down. Once I get him down in the position, I can move the arm and then throw the strike.